Hey guys, what's up? It is Friday, 7:47 a.m., September the 29th. Can you believe it? Only like 2 more days left of this month and we're going to October already. I'm here at Dollar Tree. I'm gonna get some items to decorate my cap and gown for my graduation. I'm so excited. I graduate October 26th. Well, I already graduated, but we're having our graduation ceremony October the 26th. And I made this little invitation on Canva. I'm going to put it right here so you guys can take a look at it. I think it's so cute. Today, I am not door dashing. I am going to be decorating my cap, ordering my sash on Amazon because I ordered the wrong one. I also have to return the items that I ordered that were the wrong items on Amazon. See you guys inside. Here at Dollar Tree, I'm trying to figure out what I need, what I want for my cap and gown. These are so cute as well. Pink. Okay guys, so let's do my little Dollar Tree haul. These items are for my graduation cap, so I do want to make a video for my graduation cap decoration as well. So I got this for the graduation cap. And then I got a stencil so I can write Drea RRT on the cap. And then I got some really cute diamonds. So the black ones I'm going to be using for the lettering. And then the silver ones I'm going to be using for the outlining. And then I got these super cute stars. I also got some really cute sunflowers. Some cute butterflies with little pearls in the middle, the marker to write the lettering. This is an X-Acto knife to cut out the middle circle where the little circle goes on the cap, some glue sticks, and then I am going to use a glue gun. So that's my little haul. Hope you guys liked my little haul. So now I am going to set up to get my graduation cap decorated. All of these items are Dollar Tree items except the glue gun and these big markers. These are from Walmart. So to make your grad cap, so you're gonna need your grad cap. This part does come off. You can clip it right off. And you can trace this circle or you can trace this circle. So you can actually trace this circle on your paper after you've measured the paper out. Then you could trace this, and then you can also write lines like this on your paper so you can measure it equally. So you're going to place your cap right on top of your piece of paper. This is the iron-on one, so once you have on this side, you have this, and then it has the instructions. Never done this before, but we're gonna check if this is the correct way. So we're gonna go ahead and make sure that we have this on there correctly. And then we're going to get our marker. You could either fold it like this and mark it up this way, which I recommend because you don't want to get marker on your cap. And you could just do that. And then on this side, because if you do it this way, there's a huge chance that you're going to mark up your cap, and you don't want to do that. So then I would just get this side and kind of fold it, and then you can create a line on the upper layer up here. Make sure your cap does not move when you're doing this. And that'll give you an estimate of where to cut. So now we're just going to cut now. And if you have one of those cutting machines, you can use those. It'll be so much straighter when it comes to cutting. I have my finger right in the middle here. You could take your scissors and or your X-Acto knife. Actually, if you have an X-Acto knife, I'm gonna use my scissors for now. And then you just wanna poke right straight through it the best that you can. Or you can also draw a circle. And then you can cut this circle out with your X-Acto knife. That's why you have to have an X-Acto knife. So with your X-Acto knife, this is a really good angle. You'll just go ahead and cut. So then it'll look like this, and then you could go ahead and iron it on. Then you take your iron. I have it on the silk and wool. You can put it on your cotton and linen, but I'm gonna turn mine down to synthetics because I already tried it on the cotton and it looks like it was working. It says to hold on and do this for 10 minutes. So we will see how long it really takes to do it. So after you iron it on, you're gonna go ahead and start peeling it off slowly. And then if there's like anything that needs to be glued on like this, you can probably glue it on with your glue gun. Now I'm going to be gluing these onto the border. Figured something out. These strips can come off completely. So this is what it will look like once you got all the gems on there. I know I messed up right here, don't mind that. I'm gonna cut. So now you want to decorate it however you feel you want to decorate. This is what I have so far, so I do gotta go get some lettering because I don't like the stencils. The lettering is too small. I had to go to Walmart and get these letterings because when I drew from the stencil, it was just way too light and it wasn't really showing up. And I had drew my name up here, but I didn't like the way it came out. So I went ahead and glued on the sunflowers up there, and I'm gonna have the butterflies on there like that. And then down here, I'm going to put she believed she could, so she did. And then I'm going to put maybe like right here, Drea, RRT, and then maybe right here, 2023. And then maybe a few more butterflies. I do have these stars, but I really don't like the way they look. So most likely I'm not going to use the stars today. So this is what I have so far. I do need to glue on the butterflies still, so I'm gonna do that. Guys, so now I am home. I'm gonna be getting my sash together. I'm gonna put respiratory therapy on it and this cute little lungs. So yeah, let's go. I'm gonna be cutting out the rest of these letters and then more of these letters. Guys, so I got my cap and gown on. See how I said like the R, I put it a little too high, but I guess it's okay. I gotta wear it just like that. And then I got my lungs on this side. It says therapy.
It's a very special honor for me to present some graduates this evening who graduated from our healthcare management program with their bachelor's degrees. Juliana Nicole Bentley. Andrea Gutierrez. Technology program on our Fresno campus, and it's my honor because